In today's video, I'm going to show you how to animate text in CapCut PC. So I first add a video to timeline. Now click on text. Example purpose, I add a default text on my video. Okay. Now you can choose change its colors to white to any other colors as well. You can bold. You can doing it's bold and everything you can doing on here like this one. So now here is text animation, the second option. Now you need to click on here, then you can add in out loop as well. So example purpose, if I click it second 1 2 3 4 number 4. So if I playing this video, the you can see it's already animated. So if you want to change it to others, you can select which one you want. So this is the out. So example purpose, I select this one, then I want to play first. The thousand of so you can see it's already working as well. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe this channel. So you can take care. Goodbye.